This is how you prevent a user from logging into a company in SYSPRO. So you would go to Setup and you would click on Setup Options. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Then you would go to Company and you would click on General. Then here where it says Prevent Login to Company, you would make sure that this box is ticked. Then here you can provide your reasons. Maybe you're busy doing month ends. Okay, and then you're going to click on the save and exit icon. And you're going to click OK. And now I'm going to log out of the system to log in as a different user besides admin. To tap off, and this is the message that will pop up on the user's screen. Operators have been disallowed from logging into SYSPRO. SYSPRO will be closed. So to click OK, so the user won't be able to log in.